Hello friends, welcome again to INFOTECH Solutions. In our last part 1, I have viewed that particular part, that is how to create HTML icons, which is helpful for website development and mobile app. Now in these sections, we are going to show you how we can use this icon and create an emojis, smileys, which is very helpful while creating a particular chat applications or like any other main applications. We are using emojis and smileys. So how we can call these fonts CSS and make an emojis? So now let's start. Suppose I want to create an smileys, different types of smileys. Here I am writing some simple and examples in which I am writing a title is not required. Whatever your titles, skip it as is and just use the font awesome's link. This is my key. You can use this key or create from fontawesome.com also key. This key is also freely available, but I request you to create your own keys instead of using this kit directly. And now the next is how we can create emojis. Suppose I want a dizzy emojis, flush emojis, frown emojis, green heart like emojis, something tired smileys or something gross smileys. So how we can catch this? Suppose this one. This would be output. If you see how you might be see this is very large and red fonts. Here I am applying this styles. The font size 48, color is red. You can change this. Suppose I will show you a demo for this. Font size is 10 pixel. This will be changing like that, if you see. And the one more is color is blue is changing. Most of the smiley are using with the yellow color. This is faint yellow color. I prefer dark and yellow color. Hope you might be finding particular perfect color which one using. If I'm not finding that color, you can comment it out with the color finding. But so, and developer, you have the question what are the perfect color should be used for smiley and emoji while developing an applications. Please comment this answer into the comment box. Hope you are understanding this. Again, I shortly review this. While you are making an chat applications or any other application, in case you require smileys, emojis, or suppose you are developing something dashboards applications and you require the smileys, emojis, in that case don't make images from Photoshop anywhere, because this is wasting so much of time, because we require thousands of emojis and smileys. These are already available into the fontawesome.com. Simply just call that scripts and use I and class var fa and dash with your interested smile name. That's all. And apply any other style. This from style outside also you can call, style internal you can call also. So friends, thank you for watching our channels. Have a good day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is INFOTECH Solutions. Have a good day. Bye bye. If you are facing any queries, don't forget to comment into the comment box.